Yeah.
Katie. Ooh. Hard. Dress from.
And then everyone just forgot about it. Yeah.
Aeropostale. Socks from ASOS.
Shoes.
Nike.
Jewelry. Nice.
Made by me.
Slay.
Shoes, Nike Boston. These, mommy got them for me. This I got at it's like Uptown Cheapskate. Yeah, that one. My
It's very like coquette.
junk drawer. I know.
It's cute.
My also junk drawer that I just found. Kate, junk drawer. This is from Brandy Melville.
Adorable.
These shoes are from Target too.
Oh my god.
Those are oh my god! What did this anklet on my other foot is from. I don't know where my mom got it for me.
Amazon. Goodwill.
So like, actually, where did you park?
Just saying.
Could I zoom out? Oh, okay. I got it. Can I put my hand in it?
Yay.
Oh, this is Kate's vlog channel. I'm Kate.
I'm not Kate.
Slay.
I was gonna get it.
Yeah.
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 Should I wear this to homecoming?
I wear this one too.
Oh, that's slay.
Copper drop.
Cop.
McDonald's.
Cop. What is your answer, Bella?
Forever cop. Look at this. It's Forever Batman McDonald's.
Cop. For me? Cop. Nina?
Hard cop.
Ashtrays are for marijuana use only.
No Nick.
Fuck nicotine. Dude. Sometimes you throw.
Where I belong.